everybody, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Toca Boca CAT. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
Oh, I like it so much. It's so cute. Look. Meow, 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 meow. We're gonna keep that lesson nice and easy. I hope you are gonna follow along. It has a head, ears, eyes, mouth, whiskers, legs, and tail. Great! Now let's start drawing. The first thing we're gonna draw is his head. We start right in the middle and draw a rectangle with rounded corners. Very interesting shape. Follow me with a rectangle with rounded corners. Great! You did it! Now a smaller one inside. Awesome! 2 ovals for eyes. The first, the second. Yes, that's it. Now color it in. Triangle for his nose and 2 curved lines for his lips. That's it! Now we're gonna color in its nose. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and take extra time. 2 upside-down V shapes for his ears. The first and the second. It's a tail time. Diagonal line, come around and back. That's it, great! 2 small U shapes for paws. The first and the second. Then G shape over here and backwards G shape on the left side for back paws. Done! And now we're gonna draw his whiskers coming out. It's 3 whiskers coming out of his head on the left side and on the right side.
Oh, we did it! Our cat is almost ready. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
Now I choose dark brown for its face. Tracing. And coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Ears. On the right side, then on the left side. Then tail. Oh, you're doing great! Perfect! And paws, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose light brown for its head. Try to stay inside the lines. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and continue when you are ready.
Wow, your cat is so good! I like it so much! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring book with princess. All links in the description under the video. See you! Bye bye!